Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to copy your clips super fast in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I'm already in a new project, and let's say I want to copy this clip right here. Of course you can I'm on Mac, so I'm typing Command plus C and then Command plus V, but that's not how we do it today. We click the clip we want to copy, and then on Mac you hold Option. On Windows it would be the key Alt, then just hold it and just drag the clip wherever you like it. Then we can do it again, Option or Alt, and that's how you can copy a clip very easily. Okay, that was a little hack on how to copy your clip super fast with a simple shortcut in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.